Hi guys, thank you for all the supports for the Battle of the Boys. And thank you for all the officers and for all the winners. And those who don't win, thank you. So, thank you for the sponsors. Thank you for the hosts.
Sa lahat po ng mga judges na nakuha namin kahapon, sa lahat po ng aming mga sponsors, mga contestants, at sa inyo pong mga taong nakilahok at sumuporta sa amin sa Baron Philippines Keforening event kahapon. Maraming salamat po. Taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. May God bless you more. Maraming salamat po for sharing your precious time and your wealth and your support po sa aming event kagabi. Sa lahat po ng mga officers ng Baron Philippines Keforening, maraming salamat po kay Ninang Dali at Ninong Emmy, kay Ate Nena, lalong-lalo na po sa ating chief cook na si Naomi. Darling, you're the best. Sexy, you're the best. Talagang maaasahan ka sa ating presidente, Tante Edith, Ate Norma, Tante Edith, alam mo, at Tante Edith, I pray na you will give more strength
Norma sa burol.
Ate Norma, si sa ating treasurer,
Imelda
Branson, thank you Dai, even though you are busy.
Rachel,
nandyan ka. Kay Rachel Leng at sa iyong asawa, thank you very much. At kay John, Pusing Archilitak.
oy, siya dura niya eh.
Adora! Napaka, important. And then, kay Darling, kay Teresa, thank you very much Teresa, sa iyo. At ang gagaling mo sumayaw. Talagang I'm very proud sa inyong lahat. Nakita ko kung gano'ng supporta ninyo. Nakita ko yung initiative, your time, your effort para mabuo ang event na ito. Maraming salamat. We love you guys. May God bless you more.
Yeah, thank you so
very
much. See you in the next event. Do you think you can show your dance or do you think you can play the band?
Siya nga pala. And Ate Lulu, thank you very much. Even though you are not very well, but still you able to come and cook dessert.
Nina.
Hindi ko siya natikman. And Ate Nena, thank you very much.
Ate
Sandy, thank you po sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. Maraming salamat po.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.